What is it, Gyps? You look like a door knocker. Look at come back here with that. Man. Come back here. Where do you think you're going? Out. You going outside with that door knocker? I want it. Give me. Give me. What do you got there? Gator! Look. What's she doing?
She's eating her treat. She's eating her treat.
Yeah. Well, the brush is over there. But tell your mama she's got to take the fur out of it. Ew! It's full of fur. Show me the fur. Oh man, look at that. It's just like 90% wool.
Yeah.
Alright. You can go put that fur on Boo Boo.